the 2200 series large square baler. Along with the many firsts that Heston by Massey Ferguson has brought to the hay industry, the large square baler is the flagship offering. With a full lineup of 3x3, 3x4, and 4x4 balers, there's not a crop or condition that cannot be conquered. "40 years of being the market leader speaks to the durability and innovations of the 2200 series large square balers. From the heavy-duty main gearbox to the Heston designed and built double knotter, this baler stands the test of time. Robust but simple chains drive all primary baler functions, allowing for a clean drive system under the shields. For those who want to bale silage or hay for TMR rations, we offer the Pro Cut cutter option in the 3x3 and 3x4 platforms. The Pro Cut features hydraulically engaging and protected knives which are serviceable in a full slide-out drawer under the baler. The rotor teeth of the Pro Cut are easily replaceable in the event of ingesting a rock. If corn stover or straw is your business, the 2270 XD can handle everything you throw at it with its bigger flywheel, heavier frame, larger density cylinders, and longer optiform chamber doors.